For the past 12 months, Raxio has been building Uganda's first enterprise Tier 3 Great Data Center facility. With the digital transformation of the Ugandan economy continuing to accelerate, Raxio Data Center is being built to address the vast and growing need for facilities where data supporting this transformation can be stored and processed securely and optimally. In order to do this, Raxio Data Center has pulled out all the stops in ensuring the facility is built to world-class standards. For example, our soon-to-be completed roof is a rock wool insulated panel roof. Rock wool insulation is a lightweight, high-density material made with non-directional stone wool fibers delivering exceptional compression and tensile strength. In addition, the rock wool panels provide thermal insulation, fire resistance, filtration, and soundproofing. When it opens later in 2020, Raxio Data Center will be the first of its kind in Uganda, operating as a carrier-neutral facility, able to house around 400 racks at full capacity and meeting the International Uptime Institute Tier 3 standard. Your company has invested significant time and money in hardware that powers your business. You can now protect your investment by housing your data racks under this world-class roof that provides state-of-the-art protection, in addition to other world-class features such as redundant systems, power, temperature, and humidity control, and multiple layers of security. Yes, we've still got some more work to do, but we are almost there as we near completion of construction of Raxio Data Center.